Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a cozy fall autumn clean with me. I haven't done it in a very long time, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first things first, washing up. Honestly, does it ever end? So I'm just going to quickly wash up the bits that are out and dry them up and pop them away. Then what I like to do is give the sink a good old clean. So I've been really loving this Cif Perfect Finish spray. It leaves everything really shiny and it also smells really good as well, but it's very good with getting rid of like lime scale and grease. So I think it's excellent for sink and surfaces like that. Okay, next I'm going to be using this Dettol surface spray, and I'm just going to spray all the sides, clean everything around like where my tea, coffee, sugar area is. Just make sure everything is all clean. I forgot to show you guys up close, but I'm using this Fabulosa spray. It's called La Amazing. It is so good. It smells insane. Like, I think it smells like some sort of sweets that I've had before. Liam said about it, but we just can't put our finger on what sweets it is. So if you do get it, let me know in the comments what it smells like, because it's some sort of sweet smell. It's so good. So next I'm just wiping the cooker and hob down. I like to use that same spray and then go over it with the Fabulosa. And I'm just going to pop all of the washing up away. Okay, so now I need to put Olivia's bottles on to sterilise. And I just wanted to show you as well, this carpet foam is really, really good. It's a bit like the 1001 spray, but it's a Fabulosa version and it's so good. It makes the place smell really, really good. So you hoover and then you spray it. So next I'm going to be wiping down Olivia's high chair and all of the bits that she uses. I've been really loving this Milton spray. It's really good for toys, feeding equipment, all of that kind of stuff. It's really, really good. Okay, so moving on to the front room. So basically in here, I just like to fluff the pillows out, make sure they're all tidy and stuff. And I actually want to move that stool so I can hoover and get everything all freshened up. This is Olivia's ball pit. The blooming thing, I can never fold it and get it down. So I have to just shove it down the back like that. So, but anyway, I'm just taking the blankets off and stuff and just giving the place a little bit of a freshen up, moving the mat, because for some reason she, don't know how, but she seems to make the rug go wonky. I don't know how, but there you go. So now I'm just going to quickly potter around, pick up anything that needs to be picked up, put all her toys into one area, and yeah, I'm going to put the wax melts on now because that is the best bit. So the wax melts I use are by Georgia's Wax Melts on Instagram. I'll link her down below. I've actually got Snow Fairy burning in the lounge, and then I've got Vanilla burning in the kitchen, and they are just such a beautiful, oh, it's so good. Like, honestly, if you've used Snow Fairy by Lush, their shower gels, you'll know exactly what I mean, because it smells just like that. I'm also loving this candle. I can't remember what it's called. I'll zoom up on it and you'll see, but it smells so good. Okay, so that was my speed clean with me. I will be doing a part 2, which is like the upstairs, because sometimes I just find it too much to do the whole house. So please subscribe so you can see that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to make myself a lovely cup of tea now and enjoy the rest of your day. Feeling something that goes beyond